Hay nako, na-miss ko na naman yung mga authentic Chinese food. Yung tipong masusurprise yung taste buds mo sa umpisa until maging favorite mo na. Lalo na yung fresh hand-pulled noodles, iba yung texture at sarap nun. Boil lang for few minutes at pagkatapos lalagyan ng soup at maraming beef. Dito yan sa Chinese Beef Noodles House sa Asiana Power Station, Bradco Avenue. Pangalawang balik na namin rito. May anghang konti at Chinese spices na hindi overwhelming ang braised beef noodles. Balanse lang, kayang-kaya ng panlasang Pinoy. Inom muna tayo ng iced tea na minty. Ito din yung favorite ko sa Makati branch. Kainin agad habang mainit ang jade mushroom with egg yolk. Crunchy outside pero soft, juicy, and moist inside, covered with salted egg. Ang sarap ang ulam ng iron plate eggplant. May minced pork, bell pepper and onion, savory, lasa mo na may pagka-oyster yung sauce. May red and green chili ang Chongqing spicy chicken, lasa mo yung Szechuan pepper na nakakamanhid ng dila. Ito naman yung sinigang version nila, ang pickled Chinese cabbage fish, sabaw na maasim-asim from pickles, may glass noodles, green chili, and fish. Mukhang intimidating yung chili oil pero surprisingly hindi maanghang ang steamed chicken with chili sauce, cold cuts, meron steamed chicken, peanuts, cucumber, at cilantro. And my favorite drink, parang umiinom ka ng condensed milk na malabnaw. O diba, hindi masyadong nakikita sa mga resto na napupuntahan ko. Ito nga pala yung bill namin for today. Happy tummy everyone!